Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Small Business Reference Center. This tutorial will cover how to access Small Business Reference Center, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Small Business Reference Center is on this list. Please note that Small Business Reference Center is freely accessible to Indiana residents. Small Business Reference Center offers exclusive full text for many top consumer small business reference books, as well as necessary tools and instructions to address a wide range of small business topics. This is the homepage for Small Business Reference Center. Small Business Reference Center is an EBSCO database, so the interface may seem familiar if you've used other EBSCO databases in the past. You'll find the search box here in the middle of the page, as well as a few options for limiting your search. At the top of the page, you'll find links to searches for publications, a thesaurus, and business videos. Let's do a sample search for business plan. Search results will appear here and include the total number of results found. You can use the filters on the left side of the screen to narrow your results by type, publication, subject, and more. Once you've found a result you're interested in, click on the title to open a detailed record of that item. This will show you information such as the author, document type, and abstract. Click on PDF Full Text on the left to access the full text. Here you'll be able to navigate through the document you've selected. On the right side of the screen, you'll find print and export options, as well as a citation button. The citation button will show you how to properly cite this source depending on the type of citation you need. Now you know how to access Small Business Reference Center, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.